private deployment, enhanced security. DJI FlightHub 2 offers flexible on-premises solutions. DJI FlightHub 2 on-premises keeps data secure on user-specified servers and maintains the same core features as the public cloud version. Deploy on physical servers, private cloud, or public cloud. It's simple and convenient. Cloud modeling and 4G enhanced transmission software modules can also run locally, further enhancing data security. DJI FlightHub 2 on-premises also supports custom development and deep integration with other software systems. Developers can integrate virtual cockpit, flight route editor, flight records, and other components. FlightHub Sync enables direct data exchange between cloud platforms, accelerating system setup. More open interfaces support advanced development. For example, trigger one-click takeoff from your software system. Open API calls DJI FlightHub 2 functions, sending the drone straight to the site for live visuals. Live stream feed and flight status are transmitted through FlightHub Sync and other interfaces, supporting assessment and decision-making. What's more, algorithms and multimodal LLM interfaces enable even more custom solutions. Meet the all-new DJI FlightHub 2 AIO, an all-in-one device integrating software and hardware, with a visual interface for quick, easy configuration. Lightweight and adaptable, it supports vehicle-based mobile deployment with DJI Dock. Built-in modeling capability enables rapid on-site geospatial data capture for emergencies. Captured data is synced to FlightHub 2 AIO as the drone flies. Once received, 3D realistic model is generated quickly, boosting efficiency and aiding field operations. It also fits in offices, server rooms, and other spaces. Reliable hardware and software ensure stable operation and minimal maintenance. DJI FlightHub 2 on-premises and the AIO device deliver secure, flexible private deployment solutions. Quickly build your unified drone data foundation. Connect with your software system, unlock new possibilities in drone applications. All in one now.